Today we're going to learn how to press wildflower. I have my fresh picked wildflowers, and first I'm going to stop and smell the roses. Like if you've ever heard that phrase before. Not going to be putting any mask on today, but we're going to learn how to press some flowers. Have all the materials you might need for this craft session. First off, I have some cardboard, the flowers together, wax paper in case you want to do multiple layers of flowers. Lay those in between so they don't stick to each other, and press as many flowers as you want. Whew. In addition to cardboard, if you want to press your flowers old-fashioned style, get yourself a fat load of kind of dorky books like I have. Second off, I have a jar. We're going to do a craft and try to Mod Podge or glue our flowers onto our jar. You can even maybe put your favorite seashells you find on the beach, your favorite rocks. I'm a collector. I like to collect little itty bitty things, maybe some sea glass. I think it's a really cute idea. It's a blank, 5x7 photo frame, and we'll eventually pop this out and actually make our own flower display in here. And then our first step in flower pressing is we are going to measure out pieces of wax paper approximately the same width of your cardboard. We get to start pressing our flowers. So first step, take a piece of wax paper, lay it on your cardboard, and then pluck away at your flowers. Make a flower sandwich in between your two pieces of cardboard like so. All right, just like this. Recommended to wait at least a week before using your pressed flowers. All right, to speed this process along, I have actually been collecting and pressing flowers for about 4 or 5 weeks now, so I have a whole ton of them. Dip in your paintbrush, all right, and do a nice thick layer of glue. See that? One section of glue at a time so you don't get a lot of sticky fingers, okay? Once you've done so, pick your flowers of interest and go ahead and stick those bad boys on there. Here's what we have so far. All right. After all your Mod Podging, wait about 24 hours to find your glass jar, and it will look a little something like this. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and be sure to stay tuned on See Me Science to see what else all the other instructors are doing.